Before creating any programs, I have to start with a panel. For example, I have a new empty file. So first step is to create a panel from Edit. And after that, I can do some milling, pocketing, or drilling. And because every time I have to start with a panel, it's better to save this file as a template and just call from this list. How you can do that? In the variable list, right click and create new variable. Name the x value 1000 mil, and the second one the y 500 mil, and the last one the z 18 mil. Let's select export for all of them. Now we have to edit this line, and we need to change this value with the variable name. For x, the x, for y, the y, and for z, the z. Okay, so let's save this file as a template. Go in File, Save Standard File, and you should save this file into Hop Basic. Name this file panel. Save. Close. If you open this list, you should have a new template panel. That's the way how you can create a template and get a quick access from this list.